In this video, we're going to go through how to create a Reflect check-in in your class team. So in my team here, and note it does need to be a class team, I click on New Conversation and then click on to the three dots and then type in Reflect. Select Reflect and then click on OK. From there, you can select a question. We'll go with how are you feeling today? Select the privacy, so at the moment only the educators can see the student names and reflection. You can change that if needed, and you can set the duration. Your class will then be able to select one of the emojis. So we'll click on Send. Your students will now be able to select the emoji that best describes how they are feeling. Once your students have started to respond, you can click on Explore and see the responses that have come in there. And we can see that we are currently awaiting 3 responses, but so far we already have 4 there. Switching to a student's view, I can see that my teacher has asked a reflect question, and I can go in there and select the emoji that best describes how I'm feeling. I can then go in and select one of the words that describes how I'm feeling.